Good morning, guys. Today we back to the job, and I wanna show you and install the stepstone by concrete blocks 400 by 400. First, we level under the pathway and leveling roughly, and then laying the width mat all through. The width mat should be cover all the area. And also we cut around the pipe and the drainage, and then I need to set the line and show you how we install the pavers. So guys, I set the line first by the peg. I set the line 200 from the side. Total is 900 and 400 is a paver. The paver is 400 by 440 mil thickness, but I did 200 that way and 300 from the other side because the all services, the gas meter and the drainage pipe is on all in this line to have access and good pathway, easy to pass. I move it 10 centimeter to the side. It looks in the middle, but it's not. 200 that side and 300 is this side. By the way, we should start in the first point because it's the access from the house. This one should be in the middle, and then I'm following 250 millimeter for each pavers. It's easy to walk. As a normal adult walking, it's 250 between it. You can choose between 200 to 300. I suggest 250, 25 centimeter. And we laying, I set the line to a slope we want it. It's the all side is different. You can go more slope or coming up or going level. This one is a bit a slope to the backyard. And we're following the line. And also for the concrete, I mix the mortar and concrete for this job because it's a bit higher and need to be some stronger stuff. The mortar is more softer, and when you install the pavers and tap it, is going easy down, but the concrete is a bit harder and will be stay on top. I mix one mortar and one concrete mix on the bag. It's easy to mix for this job. For a small job, just I suggest to buy the bags. It's already mixed, just add water. I put 2 in the wheelbarrow and mix it by shovel. And that's a concrete, one concrete and also one mortar mix for each wheelbarrow. And we're mixing by hand, some water, slowly add water to not be so watery or too dry. And then we're following up. For install the pavers, we laid, as you can see, I laid the concrete around the pavers. It's a 40 millimeter thickness. It's a hard, very hard concrete paver. It's not broken. It's not like a tile. We don't need to fill up whole the area. Just fill up around it and then tap and level in 2 directions. I will level it in that direction and also level in this direction as well, both direction, and following the line for the heights and the line continue through. Then I put the concrete pavers, measure it 250 to the edge, and then tap it and check the level to be level. Then clean up and push the concrete around to hold the pavers by concrete tray. That one. A small one is good. Just clean around and hold the pavers. Then need to be leave for 1 day to be dry, and then we start the fill up by Pebbles. So guys, we install the pavers, and then we have to fill up by the pebbles around it. The pebbles can be different color, different shape, different size. Just need to be, don't fill up over the pavers because this going on top of it and will be hard to walk on it. This is a rebel grabber, 20 mil. We fill up and also we make edge to stop the pavers for the pathway. And now we're washing the pavers and the pebbles and coming through.